Have you ever thought about getting a ceramic grill? I pondered the idea for quite a while, finally settled on one, and now that I've used it for a few months, I want to talk to you about it. This is the Primo XL ceramic grill. Guys, I'm going to show you a lot of things I like about it, some things I don't like about it, but I tell you what, I am impressed with ceramic grills. I never had really cooked on a ceramic grill before, and I didn't know a whole lot about them, so I started doing a lot of research, talked to some different people that did understand ceramic grills. This is what I decided to get, and I'm going to let you know the reasons why. A little closer look at it, guys. It is a beautiful, beautiful grill. Beautiful, beautiful black. Put together well. Fantastic ceramic. Probably the best ceramic there is in the industry. Nice gate. I have mine on their metal stand. I like that very well. It is heavy duty. It moves this heavy grill around a lot. One thing about these, and this will be one of the negatives I tell you, if you go to ceramic grills, guys, they are heavy. This is 250 pounds for the XL model. First thing we're going to look at, guys, is this stack. I like this stack. It's a new model that they came out with a couple of years ago, but it will swing all the way open for when you're getting that fire started. You want a lot of airflow through there. Swing shut, and then you have your fine adjustments. You can come up 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way open to 5. Usually I'm somewhere around 1 or 2, kind of in there for letting my exhaust out, but very, very nice adjustment on this where you can get it tuned in exactly right. We have an air intake on here, on and off, very easily opens up. Again, 1 through 5. Once again, I really don't tell people numbers. Like somebody asked me the other day and I told them, oh, about a pinky width of my pinky. So kind of right there's one of my running areas when I'm cooking on it. But opens up, seals off well. One thing you will want to get you is a little galvanized bucket. And what I use that for is cleaning it out. Here's our clean out tool. You just reach in there and rake out your ash. So it's very easy to clean out. You don't have to take everything out and empty it. You can empty it right through here, right into your bucket. Use a metal one in case some embers are still hot. They don't melt your plastic bucket. Let's open this up and let y'all see inside. We have 2 very well built grates in here, stainless steel. You see I put a glove on, just trying to keep some of the grease off of me from barbecue, right? Kind of the life of barbecue, but those come out nice, heavy duty. You can use 1, you can use 2. I have 2 deflector plates in here. They are nice and thick. I would say at least a 1/2 inch thick, right? And if I'm doing something where I want a cook where I can use direct and indirect heat both, what I do is I just take one of them out. And now I can go directly over the heat here, or I can go offset over here, or both. If I'm wanting to do a reverse sear on a steak, that works very good for my whole chicken. Y'all may have watched that video. Have them both in here, so the heat's coming up from around the edges, not directly on my chicken, pork butts, pork loin. Haven't done a brisket yet. When we move to brisket, same principle, but I like that very good. And I love this oval design. It really helps for putting 2 butts on there, where with a round one, like I said, I haven't used one, but by looking at the round shape versus the oval shape, it is going to make a big difference. And also, this is a patented design, so patented oval design. Great ceramic. We have felt around the edges. Guys, this no smoke gets out. It's a wonderful, wonderful. Once you get it hot, it is a cooking machine. Let me get my glove off, shut that back down, and now we're going to talk a little bit about the grill itself and things that I like and don't like. The Primo Ceramic Grill. Guys, I am loving this grill. Told you I'd give you some pros and cons. Let some of those out there during the video itself. But I would say the way it holds heat, I think it cooks a little bit faster. I think that's a pro. I think moisture is retained. Things I've cooked on here seem to be very moist with not the effort I have maybe on my offset or something like that. Flavor's fantastic. The con, again, would be the weight. This stand is fantastic on their basic stand. And I think that might be the way on any of these. They're so heavy, I would put a good stand underneath it. Whether it's something you build to set it on at your home where it's not going to move, or if it's on wheels, get it on something sturdy. You don't want this thing tipping over. You want a good sturdy. You want a good sturdy shelf. These are big shelves that give you a work area. Of course, out here in the outdoor kitchen, I've always got my table, but that is great. This top is fantastic. The adjustments on it, the numbers, the fact that it'll swing open and swing shut, a lot of great things. You can shut it off, and you can save charcoal for the next cook. Use lump charcoal. I usually use a harder charcoal, and you'll see me use a lot of post oak splits or mesquite in here to go with it. I'm liking those things. When I started looking at cons, I don't know. It's hard to find cons on this. I've watched a lot of videos. I went to Barbecue Outfitters, visited with Rick Galindo up there. If you've never seen his channel, Rick's Barbecue and Specialties, it's great. Rick's a salesman there, and he introduced me to these. And these are made in America, and that's a definite pro for me. I like the fact that they are American made, the only one, and they have a patented design on this oval shape, which I think is tremendous. I think it could be a little larger, but they do now have an XL. This is the biggest one they had. The problem again then is you run into that weight. The double XL, I don't know what it weighs, but it's going to be more than 250 pounds that this one weighs. I think it's put together well. They have a lot of different accessories. Make sure you get you the clean out. I have so many pros. The cons, I think the biggest con is weight, and you're going to see that on any ceramic grill. But again, my offset smoker is not light. Of course, I've got it on a set of golf cart tires now also. But it is a great grill. I'm liking it. I'm 8 months into it. I have had a ton of cooks on it, and I am not disappointed. Now, full disclosure, they did send me this for a review. I want y'all to know that. But I've always tried to be honest with my audience also. Is it good or is it bad? Companies will send me stuff, and sometimes I tell them, you don't want me to do a video on that. And I won't do it because it's not a good product, and I'm not going to try to think of something to say nice about it. With this product, dealing with them has been wonderful. I think it's a great grill. I think you'll think it's a great grill. Thanks for stopping by Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. I always do appreciate it. If you're looking for a good ceramic grill, check out Primo Ceramic Grills. I don't think you can go wrong with those. I'll have a link below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video, seeing some of the cooks I did. And I do have a Primo Grill playlist. So get to that playlist and see what I've cooked on here and what you think about some of the different cooks. But I think it's a great grill. I think you'll think it's a great grill. Go out, check them out, get you one. I don't think you'll ever regret cooking on a Primo grill. So thanks for stopping by. I always appreciate it. I'm Chef Johnny, your ultimate beef-loving Texan, and we'll see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.